Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Okay, today's video, we have a highly requested video, okay, which is 50 plus size crochet ideas. So this entire video is going to be clothing because it's a plus size video, so why would I include like accessories and things like that? We are looking for, okay, going into this video, I did not think it would be as hard as it was to find plus size or really just like size inclusive crochet patterns. So insane. If you make crochet patterns, do better. Okay, do better, because that was insane. Like the longest it has ever taken me to compile 50 size inclusive crochet patterns. Like for these videos, when I'm researching and compiling patterns and things, it usually does not take me this long. For this video, it took me so long, which just was insane to me, because I never realized how many patterns just aren't size inclusive. And whenever I'm doing a pattern and it doesn't fit me, I usually just have to kind of like whammy and figure it out or whatever. But it is insane the amount that literally only go up to a size medium or even a size large. Like what the hell? So for this video, I've got parameters. Okay, so you know what you're getting yourself into. Almost all of these go up to a size 5XL. I think a few of them go up to a 3X, but I tried to find ones that went up to a 5XL, or they're ones where it's kind of like a measure as you go kind of thing. There are a few measure as you go kind of things where there isn't like a set thing. It's more of like a hold it up to your body, and it's a very adaptable pattern. Okay, with that being said, everything that I say in this video will be listed in the description box below in the order that I say it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. Okay, so with that being said, we've got 3 categories. We've got tops, bottoms, and dresses. So let's jump right into the top category. So for the top category, we've got this Dahlia crop top, and then we have this purple pullover sweater and this Aphrodite top. Is this a top or what is this? Okay, it looks like a not like a cardigan, but like one of those like over the shoulder shrug things. I forgot what they're called. It's kind of like a cardigan, but not really. And then there's this other crochet top that's a I think it's green. Yeah, it is green. Sorry, these images are really small on my computer. So that one's a green crop top, and then we have this Sunday morning cardigan. Okay, again going up to size 5XL for that one. And then there's this yellow daisy tee, and then this tranquility top, which I really love. This creator specifically has a bunch of tutorials on their channel, which I know I'm referencing like many of their videos in this one because they have so many size inclusive tops out there on their channel, so definitely check them out. And then we've got this crochet simple cardigan and this swimsuit cover up, which I thought was really cute. And I love like there's gaps in the back, like the stripe lines. And then there's this crochet beach cover up with like this off swoop off the shoulder kind of top. And then there's this summer crochet kind of like a netted looking top, but this is like a new pattern I've never seen before. It's weird. It's like different triangles, so I thought that was interesting to kind of throw in the mix, because usually with these beach top cover up things, they're just like the standard like mesh stitch. So I thought it was kind of cool that they're like triangles. I don't know, probably not even really noticeable, but that's what I noticed. Then there's this saltwater taffy tee and this batwing lace sweater, which I thought was really cool, especially with Halloween coming up, like, you know. And then there's this, I know this tank top I have put in many videos before, but I thought it was really cool, and I didn't realize that it was completely size inclusive, so that was pretty cool, so I added that one in here too. Yeah, and then there's this lace top, which again goes up to a 5X, super freaking cute. And then there's this summer tank top and this black tank top. And then there's this ruffle sleeve top, which I thought was really cute. And there's this crochet party people pullover video tutorial. Okay. And then we've got this spring blossom blouse, again, a video tutorial. And then there's this granny square kind of vest looking thing, which is really cute over like a button up or like a business attire, you know. And then there's this arcade halter top, which is super cute. And then I really liked this Samantha Shell top, or I think it's a top or a dress. I don't know. It cuts her off. The picture's cut off. And it doesn't say top or dress. And it might be a top. I can't tell. Since it cuts her off, I'm assuming it's a top. But super cute. I liked the top, like, part right here. This black, like, it's not lace. What is it? Again, it's kind of giving that, like, it's like a diamond pat. I don't know what it's called, what the stitch is called, but I liked the detail on that. And paired with a cute belt like she has is super cute. And then there's this Crochet with Kim summer crop top, which is kind of like a tank top, you know, straps. I'm getting lost in my Pinterest board here. Okay, and then we've got this cocoon shrug, which is super cute, or even this raglan top, super cute. This one goes up to a 3X, not a 5X though. And then, just so you know. And then there's this crunch time crop top, which I love this color. This color is very fall, which we're going right into fall, which I'm so excited for. And then there's this like cardigan. I don't know. It's not really a shrug. It's kind of like a cardigan. I guess this one's like a cropped cardigan. That's what it's called. Cropped cardigan. This one was in my mermaid video, but also a size inclusive pattern baby. Let's go. Super cute. And then there's this Phoebe crop top, which we've got. Something I love about the Pink Sheep Design, which is the creator of this pattern, is if you go on their Etsy, they have pictures of so many different bodies wearing all their patterns on the listings. So if you're curious what it's going to look like on you, you can go look at the listings and you'll see like a bunch of different types of body types wearing the top. So you get an idea before you pay for it, which is really cool. And then we've got this cherry tunic crochet top, which I thought was cute, very flowy. And then there's this Tiffany cardigan, which again, size inclusive, baby. And then we've got this lilac, kind of like a cardigan looking top. And then we have this kind of like burnt orange cardigan top going on. And then we have this sweet summer tee, which I love the detail on this. It's definitely worked with some really tiny yarn, which is fine, but it's going to be a tedious process, just so you're aware before you go into that. And then there's this pineapple drop cardigan. And then one of my favorites in this is this Dream Crochet Shop, made by Dream Crochet Shop. Okay, these bell sleeves, love that. Sizes small to 5X, okay. Size inclusive, baby. Size inclusive. Also, love the sleeves. Love anything bell sleeve, if I'm being completely honest. But I thought it was really cool. I thought she looked really dreamy in the photo. And then we can move into the next category, which is bottoms. So, for bottoms, we have this Granny Pop crochet skirt, okay? And we've got this skirt with these like little suspender clip things, which I thought was super cute. It also gives like cottagecore, which I know, I see your comments. If you're one of those people who commented, make a cottagecore video, it's coming, okay? It's coming. That's a little sneak peek for you, this little skirt, okay? So, another Pink Sheep Design pattern is these Romping Willow overalls. Again, go check out her Etsy because she has so many good examples of a variety of different bodies wearing these rompers, or not rompers, sorry, wearing these Romping Willow overalls, okay? And then there's this Moon Fairy skirt, super cute. And then there's this kind of like a granny square overall moment, okay? And then there's these beach bottom pants and this skirt. It's called a Garrett skirt. It kind of has like a little slit. You can make it long, you can make it short, okay? You can make it however you want to make it. And it goes from it goes to extra small to 5XL, baby. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about size inclusivity. And that's all I got for bottoms. As you can tell, a majority of these were in tops because tops were like the main request for plus size crochet patterns because a lot of patterns, people were saying they couldn't hold. A lot of patterns, they were saying they couldn't hold the girls up, you know, the girls. So I had to find y'all some patterns that could hold the girls and also just look freaking cute on you, okay? So we've got tops done, we've got bottoms done. Leads us into our final category, which is dresses, okay? We've got dresses, which I love that. We've got Water's Edge cover up. Okay, I have this titled under a dress because it looks like a dress, but it can be used as a cover up if you're going to the beach. But if you want to just wear it as a dress, you can definitely do that, because that's something that I would do. And then there's this crochet Vivo dress, super cute, kind of like a spaghetti strap moment. And then there's this tulip square dress, which I actually really like the detail on this. It kind of gives wedding dress vibes a little bit. And then there's this I Want to Dance crochet dress, super cute. It's got sleeves. And then there's this island beach dress, which is kind of giving detail. Okay, it's giving lacy in the front, very cute. And then there's this granny stitch dress, which is by True Knot Crochet. Okay, super cute. And then the last dress for this category is this lace dress pattern. Again, size extra small to 5XL. Baby, that's what this whole video is about. It is for my plus size subscribers. That is all I got for you guys when it comes to 50 plus size crochet ideas, patterns, tutorials, blah, 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 blah. Okay? That is what I got for you. So if you're going to do any of these and you want to show me what you're creating, follow me on Instagram and tag me, okay? I want to see these things. And if there's a video crochet idea type of video that I haven't done before, but you want me to, please comment it down below and I'll add it to the never ending list of crochet ideas videos that I am tirelessly working through. Okay, friendly reminder, everything I showed you, all these pictures are on a cohesive Pinterest board, so if you want to go check that out, it's linked down below in the description box. You can go check it out. And then everything I said is listed in the order that I said it, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial for you so that you can make whatever I showed you. Okay, if this video was helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Join us in our little crochet community in the corner of the internet. Okay, other than that, thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.